guys, it's me here, Preston Plays. So today we're going to look on Zeppelin. And here's Zeppelin. As you know, he's pretty cute. Yeah, he always wears birthday hats on for some reason. I don't know why. He hates them on, but he just puts them on. It's kind of weird, guys. So I'm going to put one of my necklaces on him. So just wait. Okay.
7, 6,
So
8, 7, 8, 6.
What?
No.
Oh, I had them backwards. Wait, what is it?
8, 7, 8, 6.
8, 7, 8, 6. Okay.
So this is Zeppelin.
8, 7, 8, 6.
His name's Zeppelin. I think I told you that. I'm not sure, but his
His
name's Zeppelin,
8, a 7,
and he has a cute hat on.
Yeah. 8, 7,
He's
8,
curled up in a ball, and you want to see how fluffy his tail is? Yeah, it's thick, really fluffy. You can see the hairs really well. There's his fur
A dance party.
on his head. Hey.
He's tickled him.
This is him. So yeah, guys, this is Zeppelin. So remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. So yeah, guys, bye bye. I don't really know what I'm gonna do next, but bye bye.